It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through, that I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong. And what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken. The love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn, and that line is what we reach. So remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
Let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. Oh, it's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
To me in my town, flashbacks of doubt, and why they love me now. Every place that I go, it seems that I get chose. My watch, my chain, my jewelry, it seems to all be froze. I work hard to get this money. My life is a motion picture. Every day I rise, I thank my God. It's 9 to 5, the tracks outside, and this is why we here, and this is why they're not. So put your drinks in the air, let's toast it up and make it rain right now. I'm just trying to live my life. It feels so good inside there. It's a natural high.
the heavy rain. Redneck boy, and I'ma put it on my everything. Y'all say use, and we say y'all. Y'all call it an accent, we call it a drought. Y'all say give me that, and we say please man. So y'all eat oatmeal and we eat cheese grits. We do it for the shiners and them dirt road riders. For the 40 y'all not us. For the Jim Jack Johnny and them make us smart. For them little country towns and them trailer parks. Redneck, and I'ma rep until I die. A lot of y'all folks still really can't see why. We gotta keep it real all the way 100. We the purest in the world and they can't take that from us. Make homegrown shine, I'ma keep it red. Got a 4-wheel drive, I'ma keep it red. Night party all night, I'ma keep it red. Yeah, I got to keep it red. Back in the woods, I'ma keep it red. Work hard like I should, I'ma keep it red. Yeah, it's all good, I'ma keep it red. I got to keep it red. Yeah, I like to drink, yeah, I like to smoke. Crank some better skinner, hit them dirty roads. Pull it to my buddies, buddy, what you know? Smoke a little drink, stack another load. I'm a slick hit, river rat, me and Mr. Bourbon gon' tip back. Hoping that possum always lurking in the hole. Really kinda go by the law, like a backwoods boss, man, I do what I want. Got a stash of cash, put back for hard time. Got chicken wire wrapped around 4 big pine. That supper on the table ain't from KFC. That raggedy shack slap pack full of feet. Yeah, I'ma keep it redneck, I'm a rebel son, big rebel flag.
Preacher said he died too young. Over there told that gun for Uncle Sam and our freedom. Mom and Daddy dressed in black, they folded up that flag, handed it to Dad, started praying. Yeah, he went out, 21 guns blazing. That's what hell, amen. That's the only way to go. Fighting the good fight till the good one calls you home. So beware, my friend, till I see you again. Yeah, this is our last goodbye. It's a hell of a